Yes, hello. My name is Tim and welcome to BikeFinder. So, you just bought yourself a Gen 2 tracker and you're ready to set it up. Well, in this video we're going to go through setting up your subscription, adding the tracker to your app, and installing the tracker on your bike. But first, here's what comes in the box. When you open it, you will see the user manual, and it contains all the information that we're going to go through in this video. Then you have the tracker module, and you have its corresponding battery module. You have the charging cable to charge the tracker. You have the custom screwdriver that you need to install the tracker into your bike. You have the pincher tool if you need to disassemble the tracker into the two pieces. And you have the adapter set in case your handlebar is greater than 20 millimeters in diameter. So the first thing you want to do when you get your tracker is to assemble it and start charging it. To do that, you take the tracker module and the battery module and you push them together until you hear two faint clicks, and then you're ready to charge. So now we're ready to charge the tracker up. First, you remove the end cap cover on the top of the tracker here. This should expose the charging port here. Then you take the charging cable. Do you notice the little bump at the head of the cable? That should line up with the little BikeFinder logo. When you first connect it, it will flash magenta and red, and then it will slowly blink with a green LED here. This means that charging has started. We do recommend charging for at least 2 hours, though 3 to 4 hours should give you a full charge. The next thing you need to do is to choose the subscription that fits you. To do that, you go to www.bikefinder.com, then you can click on products, and under there you can find the different subscriptions based on the country you're in. In some countries, you can even choose to add bike insurance to the subscription. So the next thing you want to do is to download our app. The app is available for both Android and iPhone users under the name BikeFinder, though if you're one of our German customers, the app is called Fahrradfinden. It is really important that you register the app with the same email address as you used to purchase the subscription. Otherwise, the subscription will not be linked together with your tracker. This will save you a call to our customer service department, unless you really need someone to talk to. Next, we will connect the tracker to the app. To do this, make sure you have Bluetooth activated on your phone, then open the BikeFinder app and click the plus icon on the top right corner. This should start searching for nearby trackers. Now, your tracker should show up, but if it doesn't, get closer to the tracker and gently tap or shake the device to wake it up. Now, after the tracker is connected in the app, you want to make sure that the subscription is properly paired with your tracker. To do that, you click on the tracker in the app, and if the credit card icon is green, then you're good to go. Now that you're already in the tracker page, you can rename the tracker, you can add a picture of your bike and fill in the rest of the bike information, and you can also add a picture of the installed tracker and the receipts. But do remember to click Save at the bottom. Finally, it's time to install the tracker. First of all, most handlebars have some sort of plastic covering them, so find a way to pry that open. Next, you just take the BikeFinder and you insert it into the handlebar. Please do make sure that the BikeFinder icon is upright for optimal signal performance. Then you just take the custom screwdriver and you screw the two screws here. And you can feel the expansion mechanism expand and lock the tracker into place. It doesn't require a lot of strength to lock these down. So a little dash will do ya. And when this is done, you just pop on the front cover, and there you have a finished installed tracker, and you're ready to roll. Now that you have a BikeFinder installed, when you need to recharge it, all you need to do is pop off the front cover like this, and then you take the charging cable. Remember to put a little bump towards the BikeFinder icon, and this will charge from any power source, be that if you have a power bank on the go, or if you are at home charging. And when you're finished, you just plug it out, then you pop the front cover back in, and you're ready to roll again. So, if you need to disassemble the tracker for any reason, you can use the pincher tool that comes in the box. To use it, you align the tool with the two pins here, and then you press it until you feel the pins disengage. And then you can just wiggle the battery module out there. So folks, it's only natural. Some handlebars are larger than others. And if your handlebar is larger than 20 millimeters across, then you might need the handlebar adapter set. Now, to install the handlebar adapter set, you first need to unscrew the expansion mechanism screws all the way out. And then you can take these little plastic pieces and you thread the screws through them and you retighten them. finally, you take the little silicone sleeve and you fit it over the battery module, and this should accommodate handlebars up to 27 millimeters across. Now, if you want to conceal the tracker completely, there are some handlebar grips that can go over the tracker head, though you need to be careful that these are made out of plastic, leather, or rubber, because any metal will interfere with the signal. So that's it, folks. You're finished. Everything's installed, everything should be up and running, and you should be ready to enjoy your bike life however you please. But if you have any further questions, please visit our FAQ page or contact our customer support team.